Congress Legislature Party leader Okram Ibobi has called out on BJP-led government's failure to hold local body and autonomous district councils election in the state. CLP leader Okram Ibobi was speaking during observance of the 156th birth anniversary of Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi and 121st birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri at Congress Bhavan today. Congress leaders and workers paid floral tribute to portraits of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri on the occasion. Speaking in the program, which was organized by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, Okram Ibobi pointed out that High Court of Manipur has directed State Election Commission to hold Panchayat election within 6 months. He further accused BJP of overlooking such directions from court, while accusing BJP of suppressing democratic values and constitution. Okram Ibobi said Congress party along with people will continue the fight against violation of constitution by BJP. The Congress leader also remembered the principles and ideologies of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Sindadi Kungang Chatlo, Sing Chatlo Haiba, and the Kungang the Laiba, local body sing the Labour Autonomous District Council say, Shidi Macham Sana election Tauraga, Muida empower Taudaba, what Hadanarga, Adu the Kangadaba, Gram Panchayki Pradhan Zilla Prasati members in do. Madugi Mahutta, Moigi Sana Sana ba Prikau, the Giputoga, Zilla Prasat member, Pradhan, when Hapsaluba. Ado Ashing Bahai, which the throat high which the Lord of Tambaya Damnina, Hanagi elected Pradhan Sing, Zilla Prasat members in Duna, Akoida, right Pangan view, Hina, Supreme Court for your Saluridra, Moi Prikauda, Hapadu Lali, Sidi Yaroi, Hataruki Manung, the election Togadavani, Haidana. High Court na Moida directive piece Moida High Court ki Supreme Court ki was is Satnari Bratana Dever Kangdi BJP say. Any cannibal labor mayam thing Paminaraga, Wari Shanaraga, election matam Sana Sana Tautopi the Padoba.